Hello to all artists. Today we are drawing the Paw Patrol logo. We start with the lettering and draw the 3 large letters. First we draw the outer contours of the first letter P. Then we draw the outer contours of the letter A. Finally, we draw the outer contours of the letter W. Now let's draw the inside of the letters. In the middle of the letter P, draw a circle at the top. Next, draw a simple paw with 3 small circles at the top center of the letter A. Next, draw a large bone in the center below this word. And in the middle of this bone, we write the word patrol. We start again with the first letter and write a P. Let's write the letter A. The letter A is followed by the letter T. Next we write the letter R. This is followed by the letter O. Finally we write the letter L. Finally, we draw a border around the bones by drawing a smaller bone inside the first one. We will now create a similar border at the top of the 3 letters. We will start again with the letter P. Then we also draw a border around the letter A. Finally, we also draw a border around the letter W. Next, we draw the badge. We start with a medium-sized arc above the large lettering. Then we draw another small arc on the left and right. The badge is located behind the lettering and ends with a point slightly below the bone. From this point, draw another arc up to the small right arc. Then draw another arc up to the small left arc. To create a wide border around this badge, draw another slightly larger badge parallel to the first one. Next, draw 3 small circles on the edge of the badge. Then we draw a few more very small circles in the large lettering. We start again with the letter P. Then we also draw very small circles in the letter A. And finally we also draw very small circles in the letter W. Now the Paw Patrol logo is finished. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.